Everyone, welcome back to Fast Stock Market News. My name is Gio, and let's check out the news for today. So as we can see, the S&P 500 finished pretty flat for the day, finishing about down 0.06%. The Dow Jones Industrial average finished up 0.71%, and the Nasdaq, another rough day in the Nasdaq. As we would see also, crude oil is down a bit, so that's also good news overall for the market if that continues to happen long term. But I'll explain to you guys specifically why the Dow is up today and the Nasdaq is absolutely tanking. So let's take a look. The reason the Dow is up is because IBM reported good earnings in the Q1 of 2022. If you guys don't know about the Dow has about 30 stocks in them. There are 30 large cap blue chip stocks, and IBM happens to be in one of them. So when one of the 30 companies has a massive move, most likely on the upside or the downside, it'll carry the index. And because IBM went up 7.1% today, it caused the Dow Jones to climb as well. So let's take a look at why the Nasdaq tanked today. See that the big reason that Nasdaq absolutely got hammered today and the rest of the indexes didn't is because the Nasdaq is composed of mostly tech stocks, and overall we know tech stocks have been doing pretty bad. But when you have a stock like Netflix that absolutely got hammered, and I mean hammered today, it's going to really weigh down the entire index, regardless if it's only an allocation of 1 or 2% in the entire index. If a stock goes down 35% and it's in the index, you're gonna feel it throughout the entire QQQ. But there was a bit of good news, and let's take a look.
More in Tesla's quarter. Let's bring in Fast Money friend Gene Munster of Loop Ventures. Gene, great to see you. What are you focusing on in the quarter?
Melissa, the key takeaway is traditional auto just can't keep up with Tesla, and there's 2 points I want to enumerate. First, on the profitability standpoint, I agree with Karen completely, is that this upside on the critical gross margin X credits number was based on higher margin, the higher margin performance SKUs. The price increases that we've seen had little to do with this beat because those price increases come when deliveries. Many of those deliveries are pushed out 3, 4, 5 months, and so we're going to see that price increase layering forward. So when we think about the gap between Tesla and traditional auto, just beyond the specifics of the numbers, is it the profitability, and why are Tesla consumers paying up for these performance models? Essentially to jump the line to get them sooner is because they want their products, and other automotive companies just simply don't have that demand for their EVs. And second is what happened with their tax credit revenue. This is a metric, a line item that largely gets ignored. It's basically when Tesla sells these compliance certificates to other automotive companies that aren't making enough EVs. In the quarter was 690 million. Last quarter was 314 million. They had been giving guidance that that number would decline over time as more automotive makers, the traditional ones, made more EVs. They wouldn't need to purchase these credits. And so ultimately that surprise is testimony to the strength that Tesla is having competitively. So I think that the takeaway is it's not a good spot. This is not a good quarter for traditional auto.
So yeah, as you can see, Tesla finished the day at 5.57% after hours. And just once again, Elon Musk continues to deliver on what Wall Street has for him and the expectations that have been set for Tesla. And anyone that continues to wait for that Tesla bubble to pop has another quarter to keep waiting, because Tesla, despite all the supply chain issues, continues to deliver on the numbers and outperform what the market expects them to do. So that's great news and good to hear for all Tesla employees and also Tesla shareholders. So that'll do it for today's Fast Stock Market News. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Take care. Thanks again everyone for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow guys. Take care.